Hello, this is a quick review of our SOAPSTone strategy that we use to analyze things like speeches. So it describes what the SOAPSTone is about. Here are each of your pieces. The first S is the speaker, the voice that's telling you the story. The second is occasion, the time and place, the context that prompted the telling of the story. The third one is audience, so that is who the story is being told to. Then purpose, the reason behind the text, so what the speaker or writer wants the audience to think or feel. Subject is the focus of the text, what topic is it about? And tone is the speaker's attitude toward the subject, how they feel about what they're talking about. So just as a reminder, the last time I saw you guys last week, we did a sample SOAPSTone analysis using the song Billie Jean by Michael Jackson. So for the speaker, we came up with that it was a man who was in a sexual relationship with a woman. That is who is telling our story here. The occasion is that Billie Jean, the woman, is publicly accusing the man of fathering her child. The audience who's being spoken to is the people who are watching this scene unfold. So it's a public accusation. There are people who are watching it happen. The purpose of this text. Why is the speaker telling us this story? He wants to convince the audience that he is not the father of this child. The subject, you could say a couple of different things. You could say the subject is the idea of lying or false accusations, or you could say in a more concrete way that the subject is Billie Jean's baby. And then the tone, how does the speaker of this song feel about the subject? How does he feel about lying? How does he feel about Billie Jean's baby? Well, we said that his tone could be a couple of different things. It could be begging or pleading. He really wants us to believe him. So that's a feeling word. He's frustrated. He repeats himself a lot and is pretty adamant that the kid is not his son. Or just straight up angry because he's being accused of this and people are believing her and not him. And that is our sample SOAPSTone.